Hey guys, see who is 5 months old today. Mama, my baby girl is 5 months old. 2nd of August 2022. Mwah. Baby girl is 5 months old today. And we thank God for her life. Mama, say hello. Say I'm 5 months old. See guys, baby girl is trying. I mean, when I say she's trying, for her age, she is really trying. You guys will not understand. But the way she does her things, it amazed me. Seriously. Anyway, let me not talk much. I don't think this girl, let me not say anything. Keep watching the Zaran family, okay? And help me say your prayers for her, okay? May you continue to grow in wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Amen. All right, guys, let's dive into this video, okay? Okay, so you can see the plates and coolers neatly washed. We are done for baby Chidogo's dedication. Food still remain, no. Food still remain, no. Nah, fried rice the kogo. Nah, fried rice the kogo. So, Uncle just gave me this coconut. Doibo. He said, like this. He said I should open it and drink the water. And then you use spoon. That'll be small thing. He said I'm breastfeeding. There is plenty water inside this thing. Yeah. What's short than my water? Come on. Are you seeing the water? Are you seeing the water inside? This has plenty water inside though. And then I have to drink. See coconut. The coconut that's still up. So it's one of them that they just gave me now. Oh my God. Can I give Chidioga this thing?
She's taking drugs.
Okay. I don't think you people are seeing this water. Let me do. And I don't waste your water. This is sweet. Because I'm going to get
Very tasty.
very tasty.
You are missing, no?
You need
They are
nothing
missing.
like village.
Really missing.
Nothing like village. If you are missing village, I'm sorry for you. Because you can't get cup, let me put for you. See water. See water, oh, because So, Uncle said, hold it for her. I should then use spoon. This is nice. Please subscribe to our channel, okay? Chidogo, Mama, are you sleeping?
She doesn't know.
Are you sleeping, baby? Your mommy is eating coconut. Mama, this thing is sweet. Hey, baby. Baby girl wants to sleep. Give us a thumbs up. Let me enjoy this coconut.
How are you outside, Oga?
See what you are missing, oh.
I'll go ask Pota.
Are you true? See, these dogs, look at this place. See, this dog just put there now, and he was using his mouth to cover it. Using sand, I mean. He was trying to use sand to cover it. You get sense, so? So him and Anyo say and say, Anyo was ekweselefu. I saw. He was trying to use sand to cover it, but unfortunately, they shamed him. So there is nothing he can do about it. No problem. We understand that you are a very neat and clean dog, yeah? She was still busy with washing. She has really tried, especially yesterday. In fact, they over-tried for baby Chidiogo. Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself, yeah?
Everybody.
Be climbing up. You know go? Climb. You go to the tank. You know go now? These children, you know that this thing will enjoy, yet you still be there. Favor, what are you doing? Fetching water. What are people doing there?
She said that we should push the door.
Oh yes, you push you.
I'm not asking to push.
Oh yeah, who asked you to push?
It's Favor. It's
Okay.
But I saw my vlog pushing here.
Tell Alpha. So you survived this year.
That's not where to fight.
You people survived this year. See our Tolo. Congratulations, yeah? You people survived this year. Next year, let's see whether you will survive, yeah? Me, I'm still trying to upload my video for baby Chidiogo's dedication. I started very early. Last night I did not sleep. I slept around that kind 3 after baby's dedication. Because I was editing, trying to meet up today, okay? And thank God, today's network is even better than the previous days. So I have managed to upload. And I'm still thinking of the title. It's not just about making content. The thumbnail, after making the thumbnail, you now start thinking of the title that you will give to it. All these things are work, and our brain, they do all these things. Anyway, thank God. Please let me know in the comment section, when last did you play this kind of game? I did this when I was in secondary school. I did primary school. I did this when I was in primary school. And seeing them doing it again, I have to just laugh. Okay.
The next morning.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you all doing? We're just waking up, okay? And baby girl wants to go outside. It's cold. So I'm trying to cover her body very well. Before she'll start going outside. Asa. Look at her looking like Father Christmas. Hey mama, say good morning to your aunties and mommies. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. So yeah. We have a lot to do today, so I'll carry you after before morning. I'll carry you guys along, okay? All right.
As you can see, I went to bush to do poo-poo. This is life in village.
So you got a bush.
Life.
You got a bush, so you more here. This is otas, onions. Is there pepper in it? With pepper. Yeah? Yam.
Ma.
You guys know Baba likes food.
What's out there?
What's that? Well, good morning. Go American Zoike. This is this one na pure blood tonic, baby. What can I see here?
No, donation.
Chinwe, good morning, yo. Good morning. Porridge, can you say porridge? It's not killing that thing. But I can't form again.
Hey, let us take it
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
Good morning from Zara family. How was the night?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, hi.
How are you?
Fine.
How did you feel last night?
I slept well, sir.
Yes.
As a good wife, I'm taking care of my husband. I'm just sitting here, watching him to make sure that at least he eats well. Look at it. That's my duty as a good wife. Eat. Give an apple. This is how to coffee and when you're in the village. This is how
You.
I like this. So we need to cook. I need to cook.
You are licking oil. And then you are fine. So,
please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are subscribed, look at my leg. Hamatan, it's too much here. The breeze is much, the cold is much, everything. You guys know there are trees everywhere. That's why it's like that. My 5-month-old baby girl. Hey mama. Hey mama. Hey baby.
Life in the village. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Eshita. Akebusha Eshita. This is Mama. They want to go and cook yam, porridge yam. Subscribe. This is Eshita.
Yeah, it's Sarah from
Eshita.
You're welcome.
Eshita.
Please come and join us and yeah, my best.
Yam.
Are we going to use utazi?
That's the most important thing. No, utazi and Saint Leaf.
Okay.
I are the most important thing for porridge.
Especially when like food now. You suppose
Nah,
know.
I don't like here. I go highest. Lady. No.
My husband is recording. So anything you people see,
Take it to
I need this firewood. I don't know if I set this thing well, but anyhow I set it. Mom and I, we are going to the farm. Eh? Don't worry. We are going to the farm, eh? We want to go and get plantain. Follow us, so come along with us. Okay. This one never mature. This one is still small. So let's go to the other side. Now, let me show them this ogo. Where is Uziza? This is ogo. Have you seen ogo?
Yes.
Uziza. But we have seen Uziza before. I'm gonna walk. Okay. Let's go and get plantain, eh? We are going to cut plantain. Yeah, this is our small farm.
Yeah.
It's our small farm. So I got caught to tap plantain. Let's go and get plantain. This one farm. You can't want no farm now. This one is not farm, oh yeah? Yeah. See this one, oh. This one has matured very well. Mama just cut this one now.
It started ripening.
It has started ripening, you know. Make una see better plantain.
No, they just cut it.
See.
They just cut it. No. See the tree.
See here. Better plantain.
See the tree here. This is the tree.
Hey.
They just cut it. No.
Don't be smart.
And bird was eating the plantain.
Bird the blue guy knows or eat. Yeah. Let's go. You anywhere. You are the one for Kaiga has here the thing. Kai tip you go do the thing. Village life they sweet oh. Village life they sweet. If you are not in the village, you are missing this Xmas. If you are not in the village, just take heart, okay? And enjoy my vlogs. My baby girl has finished bathing. Chi baby.
See.
Don't mind her. Baby girl has finished bathing and she's wearing her gown. Mama, she's wearing her gown. Hey, so please give our video a thumbs up, okay? Turn the other side, let me see her face. Mama, you don't want to show your face? Fine girl. My baby girl is 5 months old. My baby is 5 months old. Oh. I love you. I love you, baby. Mwah. Baby girl is taking her breakfast. Baby girl is eating her breakfast. This one is not breakfast. This one is to open because she's still going to eat again. And she's taking pap. So since we came to the village, they introduced pap to her, and ever since then she has been trying. Do you know that these days if I give baby girl breast, she'll just put her mouth like this and remove her face? I'll be the one begging her to take breast. I'll be the one begging her to take breast. So she takes more of this pap. Sorry. Are you okay?
My love.
Don't do that.
She don't have to cancel the idea. Ojigo.
And look at this plantain, very fresh. Some of them have ripened. And it's very big. This village, we get everything organic.
And I go up on the video my
Yes, now.
I'm on the video.
Oh dear. So that you spoil my work for me.
Hang a little kick, man, video. Leave video, man.
Alright, so please give this video a thumbs up, okay?
Yeah, just give the video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel.
Alright,
so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed, okay? Mama is busy cutting the plantain, okay? So see you guys in our next video. Subscribe to the channel, and let's do it again this 2023, okay? I love you guys. Please feel free to enjoy yourself in this my channel for better village vlogs, okay? Something is coming up again, and this time around we are going outside, so stick around, don't miss it, okay? All right, bye.